Hi guys! Did you guys use Pinterest for affiliate marketing? Today, I want to share with you guys how to make affiliate on Pinterest. Let's get started. The most important aspect of affiliate marketing is to drive organic traffic. You can leverage the organic traffic source available on Pinterest. Checking on SimilarWeb, it receives around 1.2 billion visits per month. There's a huge demand for image search on Pinterest, so you can design eye-catching images to attract your target customers to click on your affiliate links. So how do you reach this massive customer base there? This depends on how you research and select suitable keywords. Some websites to search for keywords you can refer to are keywordtool.io, SEMrush, or Google Keyword Planner. Then, you search and install the Sort Pin extension. This extension will help you check the save, interaction, click of each image on Pinterest. You need to check again whether these keywords are of interest to users on Pinterest, whether they are searched for or not, how related pins related to that keyword interact. For example, when I search for keywords about keto, I see people are quite interested in images of keto menus or calorie content in food. So how do you search for products to affiliate with? After selecting keywords with high search and interaction rates on Pinterest, you can visit famous affiliate sites like Digistore24, ClickBank, Popular High-Tech, to find related products. You can also join some affiliate programs of e-commerce sites like Amazon or Etsy. Etsy specializes in handmade products, so I find it quite suitable for promoting through images or videos on Pinterest. Let me give an example of searching for products on Digistore24. After successfully registering an account, you go to the Marketplace section to find products by keyword. Clicking on a product will provide detailed information including the selling price, commission, the earning per sale, seller information, seller activity time, and payment methods. Aside from the commission rate, I find the conversion and cancellation rates to be the most important factors. For example, a product might have a high commission rate and a relatively good conversion rate, but the cancellation rate is also high. This could be due to product quality or long shipping times, leading to customers canceling orders. In general, you need to carefully consider products with high cancellation rates. Just click to copy the affiliate link. Next, to promote this product on Pinterest, you need to design eye-catching images. Check with Sort Pin to see which types of images have the most saves, downloads, and interactions, and then follow suit. On Canva, there are plenty of templates available by typing in keywords, which you can customize according to your needs. Once done, simply download the images. Okay, next, I'll guide you on how to upload images to Pinterest. On the homepage, click on the Create section and upload the image. Remember, it must be a JPG file and under 200 megabytes in size. Next, add a title to the image. This title should contain keywords so that when users search for your image, it has a chance to be displayed. Let me give an example of a title. After that, fill in the image description. Don't forget to paste your affiliate link. Use the copied link from Digistore24. As for selecting a board, it's up to you. You can create boards for different types of products if you wish. Next is the topic selection. When users search for these topics, related images will be displayed. In the other sections, you can choose to allow others to comment on the image or display similar products when people click to view your pin. Finally, click Post. You can track the views, clicks, and saves of each pin you upload. However, this isn't the final step. Even though Pinterest has a high natural traffic rate, there's no guarantee that users will click on your images, right? So how do you increase the visibility of your pins? Simply put, the more saves, clicks, and interactions a pin receives, the higher it will be pushed up in search results. So how do you boost it now? You can search for social media exchange sites, such as Addmefast, for example. On this site, you'll need to pay a certain amount of points to exchange for interactions from others. Click on Add Task, then fill in the type and choose Pinterest likes or comments. Insert the link of your pin. Then specify the number of likes or comments you want, for example, 100 likes, which equals 6,500 points. However, if you only have 40 points currently, you'll need to complete other tasks provided by the system to earn free points. For example, liking this Facebook fan page. After completing the task, you'll receive the corresponding points. The number of points varies depending on each offer. However, this method takes a lot of time, guys. So I'll choose another method, which is to create multiple Addmefast accounts. But Addmefast doesn't allow creating multiple accounts on the same device. So you can use the anti-detect browser Hidemyacc to create multiple browser profiles and then register different Addmefast accounts. You can also apply this method to Pinterest accounts if you want each Pinterest account to specialize in a specific topic only. The more interaction your pins receive, the higher they'll be pushed up in search results when users search for related keywords. From there, the click-through rate on your affiliate links will also improve. So, I've just finished introducing you to the affiliate marketing opportunity on Pinterest. Overall, I believe this is a highly potential opportunity that you should try. For those who want to scale up or increase traffic quickly using Addmefast, feel free to use the anti-detect browser Hidemyacc to create and manage accounts. If you found my video helpful and informative, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you all for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.